Hey guys, welcome back to my channel and welcome to Vlogmas Day 9. So I wasn't able to film at all yesterday. I've only taken a few clips which I will still add in the beginning of this video. But I will try my best to film today. It hasn't been as easy because I've been going through a lot at work and so anyway, I wasn't able to share the rest of the advent calendar items that I was able to set. I'll just show them to you later on. However, let's open this is it's a lip oil. I already got one from the same calendar. I'll just show you the rest of the stuff that I got in another clip. Yeah, this is another lip oil. Again, I'm compiling them in my beauty bag. So all of the other NYX products are also here, except for one eyeshadow, because one of the eyeshadows that I got was already smashed. So anyway, I have to get ready first. Sorry. So I haven't been able to vlog at all today. Yesterday as well, so I figured I should just show you something that I plan on doing. I plan to cook something that my mom taught me, but quite differently this time. It's Mac style fried chicken, which you steam the chicken first and then you fry it. But this time around, instead of using the regular oil method, I'm gonna use our new air fryer. So first we have to steam the chicken. I've already thawed it out earlier when I got home from work. So you're usually supposed to get chicken legs, I think, but I only have chicken thighs available, so I'll make do with this. Okay, so my mom has a different recipe, I think, but she just usually just puts flour, leaf, and something else. I put chili flakes on mine. And then salt and pepper for the chicken. I put a lot of pepper on it. And then just rub it in. So depending on the body part of the chicken, you have to steam it. I'll try to put the minutes that you'll have to follow. So after this, let's just turn it off. We start with air frying. Okay, so I'm just following the settings that I have in my air fryer. I loaded up the chicken here. Now I turn it on. So our air fryer has a specific setting for chicken. So those are the settings. I have to choose this one, which is for chicken, and we just press this one, so it will cook the chicken for 25 minutes, and I'll update you once it's done. So there's still 14 minutes left before this is finished. I figured I should just do the dishes first while waiting. So it is done. Yep. finally done. And it looks so nice and crispy. Look at that. Cooked all the way. Oh, lovely, and with no oil at all. It's no oil at all, just on its own fat. I love that. So that will be my lunch for tomorrow. So this is tomorrow's lunch. Max styled fried chicken. That is from my mom's recipe. I cooked 5 pieces, but I'll be eating one tonight to try it out, and 4 will be my lunch for tomorrow. So I know this is quite a short video for Vlogmas, but I hope you enjoy my little cooking segment. If you have any other recipes for air fryers that I could try, could you please just leave them in the comment section down below, and I'll see you guys tomorrow. Bye.